How would you like a system which allows you to evaluate a business or to structure a business very simply? If you follow these 7 principles and keep those 7 principles in mind, then you can evaluate and see the success of a business within an instant. And the funny thing is, after our fantastic safari, I found out that the same principles are valued in nature. For 2.5 hours, we followed a cheetah, a group of cheetahs in the Serengeti. Are you as focused as these cheetahs are in your business? So what market are you playing on? Do you play with the big boys, or is your market somewhere on the ground? Or do you steal from others? Or do you market somewhere where there is the competition all around? Look at this scenery. So these are all vouchers trying to get one piece of the action. Or is your market a free playing field where you can do whatever you want? These 7 principles can really make or break a business, and you can boil it down to these 7 principles. So how do you go about this? First, to have a business coach, to have someone externally helping you with these principles. You don't take on a business coach to have more pressure by holding you accountable. You have a business coach who frees you up by holding you accountable.